In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Facebook from Instagram. So to do that, you want to open up your Facebook, click on the bottom right to open up menu, and then click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. From there, you want to click on See More in Account Center, and click on Profiles. Then click on the Instagram, then click on Instagram, and make sure that this Sync Profile Info is turned off or that it's gray as you see currently on the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.